So let's just talk about polymorphism in Python. So polymorphism is one important characteristics of the object-oriented programming paradigm. So the polymorphism means existing in many forms. So it is the ability of one object to take different forms based on the context. Like an example, suppose a person, so the person can behave differently depending on the situation. So if the person is one doctor, so it will behave differently. If the person is a family member, it will behave differently. And also in case of a friend, it will also have a different behavior. So the person is behaving differently based on the situation. Similarly, the objects also can have many forms and can behave differently based on their context. Now let's just talk about different ways to implement polymorphism. So first of all, we can use the duck typing. Secondly, we can use the method overloading. Thirdly, we can use the operator overloading, and also we can use the method overriding. So first of all, we have the duck typing. Duck typing means dynamic typing. So here the behavior depends on the object's method and not its type. And next we have the method overloading. That means here we can have multiple methods with the same name but with different parameters. And then we have this operator overloading. So here we can redefine how operators work for custom objects. So normally the plus operator will add two numbers, but we can overload this and we can add two objects. And lastly we have this method overriding. So whenever the child class redefines a method from its parent class, then we have the method overriding. So these are the ways we can implement polymorphism in Python. So we're going to be talking about them in details in later videos. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.